What's up guys? On this video, I'm gonna be showing you on how you can earn money online using Digistore24 affiliate marketing by only using 15 minutes of your time every single day. And the good news, the method is for free and you can earn up to $100 to $300 daily. If you're excited, let's jump into it. Now, Digistore24 is an affiliate marketing website wherein you can promote certain products that sellers are selling. Now you can go to the affiliate tab in here, then you can see that you can earn up to 70% commission and around 44 plus niches and 8,000 products on our marketplace. Now, how you earn money with Digistore24? First, step 1 is you need to register at Digistore24. Step 2, you need to select a product from the marketplace. Step 3, you need to promote the product to your audience. And then step 4, earn profits. It's very easy and it's totally free to register to Digistore24. You just click register now above here, and then after that put your information. Then after that, when you're registered, you are now ready to log in. Now when you log in, you go to the marketplace area wherein you will see all of the digital products to choose from business and investment, dance, music, dating, love and relationship, fitness and health, and games and fun, personal development, and many more. As you can see, you can just easily promote products in here by clicking promote now button, and then you will have your affiliate link that you can give to your audience. Now, what is the most popular niches right now that I'm gonna teach you so that you can easily learn on how you can promote this? The best way to promote this right now is through TikTok. TikTok is one of the best platform right now wherein many people are following. So this TikTok page is meditation for beginners, is actually posting meditation quotes with backgrounds of seas or skies, and as you can see, it has around 227.7 thousand followers and 1.4 million likes. And as you can see, it's very easy to do this. When you click on this one, it just has the background and just putting some words in here, and they just actually reading this, and then this thing is you can do that for free by just editing a background and getting that background for free at pexels.com. Pexels.com is a website wherein you can download videos, free stock photos, and you can use that on this one. Now, if we type there C, there will be a lot of results that you can see in here that you can download. Right now, you can download this one, and you can see that you can also go to the videos above. Then there's a lot of videos about CC. This calming one, you can just download this for totally for free. And then, for example, I will download this one with full HD, and later we will use that download. Okay, so another page in here that I see is the affirmations. Okay, Mastering Affirmation has 271 followers with 4 million likes, and as you can see, they are just posting pictures with just text, and it's very easy to do, and later I'm gonna be showing you on how to do that. Now if you open this one, they just putting this thing, they just put a background music, and after that, that's it. I mean, 1 minute video, and what they're going to do is they have many followers. So the secret on this one is that they are putting their affiliate link here at the top, so that whoever clicks that affiliate link in here will be directed to the their offer. So as you can see, when we click this one, you will be directed to an offer mastering affirmations in here. You can see that free soul searching, and you can put your offers in here, like if you have a YouTube channel, a Facebook page, the thing that you want to offer, you can all put it here. And then when your audience click that one, they will be directed to your offer like this. It's an affiliate marketing product. Now, how to get this direct.me? You can just go to direct.me. This one is a website wherein you can just put your data in here so that you can put your links in there. All right, so that's the one that you can do to be able for you to that one. Now, so how will you edit those kinds of things? You can edit that by using canva.com. Canva.com is a website wherein you can customize your posts. Okay, you can put a lot of posts. So by doing this, let's just do this one, the vertical one. Okay, and then from this we need to, the one that we uploaded a while ago, what we're going to do is to put it in here and then just resize it. As you can see, very simple, right? You can just do this in just little as 10 to 15 minutes. See, it will be playing, and then you can just put text into it, right? You can just put text like this one. See, you can just put there affirmation. Very easy, right? Then you can just rearrange this one, and then yeah, even though you don't put affirmation there, it's okay. So for example, this is your affirmation. You can just put there this one. You can delete this one. Yeah, in this example, we'll just use that, and then put anything that you want to put in there. You can put a voiceover if you want. If not, it's okay. What you're going to do is just to download it. Okay, download that video. As you can see, it's downloading, and then later I will show you that it's very easy to play around. Okay, it's taking so long to download, so I'm gonna be pause this video, then when we're finished I'll go back with you. Okay, and we're back. We are finished downloading the video that we just created on Canva, and it looks like this. We will open it, and then you can see it will just play this video, and then you can just put your text there. And what you're going to do next is upload that video on TikTok, create your own TikTok account, and then you're good to go. For now, I will be doing a summary of all the things that we just have accomplished today, so that you will know on what to do and you will remember. But before we continue, I'm gonna be showing you a breakthrough software called Sleep Sales Technology that will generate sales even if you are asleep. You don't need experience, no technical skills, no hosting, and no product creation required. It's actually the easiest system for getting your very own home-based internet business up and running before you go to bed tonight. So if you're interested with that, just click the link down on this description on this video so that you can see how it works. Okay, let's go back to what we're talking about. First, you need to go to Digistore24.com, and then you need to sign up. Okay, and then after that you need to go to the marketplace area, wherein you will see a lot of digital products that you can promote. It depends on your niche. Now, for the example that I've given to you for the meditation for beginners and affirmation, one of the best niches on that one is spirituality and esocentrics. Now for this one, for example, we will be choosing this manifestation power or Zen mastery, or discover the real law of attraction, or maybe we can just go to the mindful meditation. Okay, so the sales page, when you check the sales page, it will look like this. Now if people go to the sales page and then purchase that sales page, from the sales page you will get your commission. What you're going to do is just get your affiliate link here, and then after you copy your affiliate link, you go to direct.me, create your account, and then you can customize that one so that it can look like this, so that you can put all your links there. If you have a YouTube channel, your Facebook page, and your affiliate link, now when people click that one, then they will be directed to your affiliate product that you are promoting. And what you're going to do is every day just post videos like this, create videos like that one, and then from there you will get attention of people. People will be liking the video, and they will notice that you have a link here, and the secret is that when they click this link, they will be directed to your direct.me page, and then there you go, all the promotions that you have in there, and you will have sales every time by only doing 15 minutes of your time each and every day. This is very powerful, so do it and start into it right now. And if you like this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification, and then do the thumbs up, and see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.